Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Wix website fit all screens. Alright, so as you can see I am now at a Wix website, and basically the method here, I'm just going to show you the general things you need to know. So as you can see on this website you've got both desktop and mobile version of this basically service on your website. So this is the stock website that you get when you create a new account that of course you will be able to customize after. So I have not made any changes almost to this website. It's just stock, it's just an example, right? Just a sample version of the website so that you can understand what kind of customization you will be able to do by using Wix. Right, so basically to make it very short, you just need to make sure that your items, your, for example, text, your pictures that you want to have on your website, you need to make sure that they both fit in both the desktop and the mobile version of the app. So for example, this text, limited time offer, featuring items and stuff like that, shop now. And also we've got this image as well, like your brand image or whatever you want to put in here. So these important things, right, they have to fit both of the versions of the website, right? So both mobile and the desktop version for personal computers, right? So you need to make sure that when you switch to mobile, you need to put all of the necessary information and all of the pictures and everything you want in the center. And of course you can also resize them, right? So for example, text store, you can click on any item in here, you can resize it. As you can see, there's you can drag, you can do everything you basically want, and just make sure that they stay in the center so that you can see them on both desktop and mobile version. So as you can see, some skateboards in here, some text is provided to basically explain what the what kind of products are being sold on the website, stuff like that, etc. So just make sure to basically fit all of them in, because for some people, I'm sure a lot of people face this issue when they basically fill up their desktop version of the website and they just don't know what to do with the mobile version. They click on the mobile version and everything is missing, nothing in the right place, and etc. So that's basically the tip I have for you guys, and now it's basically up to you to perform the customization as far as you want it. So for example, let's analyze, right? So we've got this text, right? Let's see on the mobile version. All right, so it's just like I said, the important text has to be here, you have to fit it in, right? So also, for example, this image here, I'm not sure what this is. So this image, right, so only the part of this image right here will be seen in the mobile version because the screen is way small, as you can see, way smaller in here. So you get the point. Now basically go ahead and customize your website as much as you want, knowing all of this. This is very important to understand. And basically that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully this helped, and of course, just like always, press the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more guides and tutorials. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.